Here I have two examples. I want to write them in expanded form. The first one, 783. How can I write it in expanded form? I will write 700 plus 80 plus 3. The second one here, I have the second number, 37. Can you write it in expanded form? Yes, 37. يبقى 30 plus 7. And this is the expanded form. This is a very important method to break down numbers. بقسم النمبers بتاعتي, which we will use in our lesson today in subtraction. Today in Access, we will use an important thing that we studied and practiced a lot. Let's see. Here it is the error analysis model in which we will analyze the answer of one of our colleagues. هنحلل الانسر بتاعت الفريند بتاعنا اللي عمل this question. And we are going to focus on our analysis on 3 points. هنركز على 3 points. أول حاجة what is correct in the answer, إيه اللي عمله صح في الانسر بتاعه. تاني حاجة what did your colleague do incorrectly, إيه الحاجة الغلط اللي عملها. تالت حاجة why do you think they made this error, ليه عمل الغلط ده. What is the correct answer? Explain your thinking. Always remember that the error analysis model will help us figure out, بيساعدنا ان احنا نطلع our own errors, الأخطاء بتاعتنا, while solving any mathematical problem. And this will help us become better thinkers and mathematicians. Let's solve the problem we have where your colleague had to solve the subtraction 521 minus 37. Here, the student's answer which we want to analyze, he decomposed the two numbers into expanded form. حط the two numbers in expanded form, like you see here. Here I have 521 minus 37. أول حاجة عملها إن حط كل number expanded form. 521 عملها 500 plus 20 plus 1. 37 عملها 30 plus 7. This is the first thing he do. Okay? طيب. And now, here, what did he do بقى? Let's go and analyze what he did. أول حاجة عملها 500 minus 0 equals 500, 30 minus 20 equals 10, 7 minus 1 equals 6, and the answer 516. Now you will write your analysis in the table in your school book. I'll give you time to analyze the answer and then we will go through it together. Now that you have analyzed the answer in your book, what was correct in this answer? I think he did two things correctly. عمل حاجتين صح. إيه هما؟ أول حاجة عملها صح was breaking the numbers into correct expanded form. عمل النمبرز فعلا in right expanded form. عمل إيه؟ عمل 500. Yes. يبقى the first thing he wrote the two numbers in expanded form correctly. كتبهم صح في expanded form. عمل 521 yes, 500 plus 20 plus 1 and 37 30 plus 7. يبقى أول حاجة عملها right إن هو كتب النمبرز in expanded form correctly. تاني حاجة عملها صح إيه؟ Yes, the second thing he was keeping the direction of subtraction when he subtracted 500 minus 0. تاني حاجة عملها right إن هو he kept the direction of subtraction. يعني إيه عمل 500 minus 0 which is right. طيب now what did he do incorrectly؟ إيه الحاجات بقى اللي عملها غلط؟ Yes, he made more than one mistake. عمل أكتر من غلطة. أول حاجة عملها wrong that he start from the 100. عمل إيه؟ عمل 500 minus 0. He start with the 100. طيب إحنا في المفروض في subtraction بنبدأ بالإيه؟ بالones. Right, this is the first mistake. The second mistake was that he reversed the subtraction operation. قلب subtraction operation. He wrote 30 minus 20. Right? Is it right? No. هو المفروض I keep the direction of subtraction. لازم أعمل 20 minus 30. Also he wrote 7 minus 1 which is wrong. لازم أعمل 1 minus 7. Okay? These are the mistakes what he did. طيب now why do you think he made these mistakes؟ ليه عمل الغلطات دي؟ He tried to subtract starting from the big number. الغلط اللي هو عمله إن هو بدأ من ال big number. Then the small one. And this was wrong. He didn't pay attention to the direction of subtraction. ما خدش باله من اتجاه ال subtraction. Well, if you want to solve the problem correctly, what shall we do؟ هعمل إيه عشان أحلها صح؟ Can you solve this problem using one of the strategies we have studied before? If we use, for example, the counting down strategy. The counting down strategy for subtraction. How do we do it؟ هنعملها إزاي؟ We should start with the big number and write it on the right on the number line. Let's solve it. يبقى I will draw the number line. I will start from the big number which is, yes, 521. And what about the second number? This is the first number. The second number is 37. So I will make it in expanded form. It will be 30 plus 7. Then what should I do? Yes, I will jump or I will subtract these two numbers from the biggest one. طيب يبقى first of all 521 minus 30. 521 minus 30 gives me what? Yes, gives me 491. Then what should I do? I will subtract 7 from 491. يبقى 491 minus 7 this way gives me what? Gives me 484. And this will be my right answer.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.